Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a collective die share. I didn't purchase this like recently. These are just collective over the past year, and I am really starting to get into the holiday season crafting, and I wanted to come on and share my new dies and what I've cut out just to get the season jump started. So I will leave descriptions and links to the items down below, and hopefully, you find them helpful. So I have this alley die that I purchased, and it says the word Noel, and here is the word cut out, and I'm really loving this die. I love layered word dies. I think it just gives it a little bit extra, and you don't need thickers for it. I also purchased this cute little ornament set, and I did get this at Alina Crafts, and I really love the embossing details on these. I think they're really such a cute set. I think once I find my holiday twine, I will just have something on the bottom. I wish it had a little bell, but the embossing detail on it is so nice, and it really just is cut like butter. I only had to run it through the machine once, and I'm really happy about this set. I just used different bows in my stash. This is a punch. I had a little itty bitty one and another bow that I had. Here is a layering die, and the insides have this stitch detail. You can remove it, but I kept it together just because I love the way that it came out. Here's the largest one, the middle one, and then just for contrast, the little itty bitty baby one. And I think the largest is about a little shy of 4 inches. The middle is shy of 2.5, and I think this is a little over an inch. And I think they are great layering pieces, and if you look at the little small details, they are little hearts. I think those are cute. You can use them for Valentine's Day, just really all year round. The stitch detail is a really nice little touch. Okay, so I have some Cottage Cuts Die. I jumped on their sale. I think they had a 65% sale. I don't know, I want to say around Labor Day, and I did buy a bunch of Cottage Cuts Die. I just have yet to cut all of them, and these are the only ones that I did cut out. So this is the Holly Berry Mini, and this is what this looks like. You'll notice that the color scheme is really pinks and baby blues. I am getting ready to use my new favorite holiday paper collection, Santa Baby. And yeah, I just distressed the edges of the leaves just to give it a little more interest. This is a cute set. This is another Cottage Cuts Die, and the die is Snowy Tree. And I really love this die. So I did cut it out in white cardstock, and I just staggered it a little bit on the side, and then this beautiful metallic pink. And then I cut out the snow out of white glitter foam. And I love how this came out. It's so pretty. Let's see. I have this Spellbinders die, and it's called Fancy Tree, but it really is a embossing Christmas tree. I needed to put more pressure on it for the swirls, but I like the shape. It's simple, nothing too fancy. I have another Spellbinders die set, and this is called Flakes and Skates. I didn't cut out the snowflakes only because I have tons of snowflake dies, but I did cut out the skates. I use the Prima Santa Baby collection, and I love the shape of the skates. I need to decorate it, maybe put a bow, emboss it a little bit just to get the details of the shoelaces. And I should cut the bottoms of the skates in a different color and just layer it up. I'm loving this set. I also have another Spellbinder set, and this is called Peppermint Stick. I didn't cut out the hollies only because I cut out the hollies in the for the Cottage Cuts one, And here are the candy cane and the little peppermint. So I did just go over it with a white jelly pen, and I used my white Nouveau just to dress up the peppermint. Okay, so I have, this sheet of dies that I just put a whole bunch of my characters. So gingerbread, a little Santa, this is another Santa, and this is all a reindeer die. So let's start off with the gingerbread man. Here he is. And I think he's super cute. I'm super happy about this. The little stitch details, little squigglies for his little body. I did go over with some Nouveau drops, his little bow tie, and just for his face, I cut him out in a different color and just put some double-sided tape just to keep everything in. I just put a little white dots for his eyes, and I love how he came out. This little Santa over here, here we go. I did cut him out in different colors, and I love the Santa as well. It's just a little strange that he has no arms, but I have an idea for this one, and I'll show you that in a minute. This middle Santa here is so cute. So he's a lot of fun. I mean, he does come up in different layers, and I just gave him a little rosy cheeks. For his beard, I did use, I had purchased this glitter glue from AC Moore a while back, and I called it bootleg stickles. It is a little bit, it takes a long time to dry. It's not like stickles where it dries immediately, and that was the only downfall, but I really do love the results. I love his beard being all glittery, and I think he's super cute. And for this set, it's the reindeer. It doesn't look like a reindeer, but here he is. I think he came out super cute. I was a little unsure about it just because the layering was a little bit strange and he felt a little bit unsteady. So I did back the whole thing with double-sided tape. It's my little trick just to keep everything together. And yeah, I really think he's a cute little guy to have for the holiday crafting. Okay, so I have another sheet here of some dies that I purchased. Here we have a poinsettia, some mittens, and this whole thing is part of the mitten set, and this is a Christmas tree. So I'll show you the tree first. So here's the tree, and it is a cute layering die. Each little piece does cut out, and you just have to glue each layer on top. I wanted to, I guess, put fake snow on there, but I didn't have any fake snow in my stash. I did have Reindeer texture paste, and I think the tool that I was using to smear it wasn't the best, but it's fine nonetheless. I'll do better for the next one. I did dust the top with some diamond dust while the texture paste was still wet. And yeah, I think it's super cute. I'm really happy about this one. Here is the poinsettia. I do have another poinsettia. It's a lot larger, and I wanted a smaller set to have. And I love the layers, and I cut it on this pretty shiny pink paper, then just tucked in the leaves on the inside, and just put a little bling in the middle just to give it a little shininess. And for the mittens, I cut them out in two different styles. So this does come with a little layering piece to give you that design element. And I cut these out with the Santa Baby collection. And I love how those came out. And then I cut them out of white glitter foam. They do give you a little bit of these accessories to kind of like give the gloves or the mittens in different decorations. I cut these out of glitter foam, and I love the way that these came out. This is super sweet set. Let's see what else I have here. I have this Tim Holtz snowflake rosette die, and it's one of those long thinlit strips. I put that one away, but it's a really old set. I just haven't used it, and I really love this. I think this is going to be a great layering piece. And I did put these little resin. I don't know, the plastic snowflakes that I picked up from Allie. And I think they're great just to like layer on top. Super cute. And, oh, so I was totally enabled by Crafting with Liller. And she's Lily here on YouTube and Instagram. And I had cut these out and I was like, what can I do, or how can I incorporate this in my holiday crafts? So you remember that little Santa with no arms? I was thinking maybe I could possibly layer him up behind the fence and maybe have some presents on the side to kind of give him like a little peekaboo effect. Right? Cute, right? Yeah, I'm really happy about that purchase as well. I also have these little plastic, I'm just going to open this. They are in different colors, but they're not like sequins. They are little plastic cutouts. And I don't know, they're really cool. They're soft, almost like an eraser type material. And I thought these could be fun for shakers. They're different. I'm this is a great set to own. I also had purchased a bag of these wood deer ornaments. If you look at the back, it's just plain wood. I did paint it, and then I just kind of went here with some gold flakes. And if you're interested, I could do a process video just to show you how I decorate these. I haven't completed them, but I love these and I can't wait to use them in my future decorations and on my projects. And today, it's actually my birthday. So since I've been on YouTube for about, I think going on 3 months, maybe even less than that, I wanted to come on and do a quick giveaway. So in order to qualify for this giveaway, I need you to be a subscriber, follow me on Instagram, and just leave me a comment on what your favorite holiday crafting you like to do or create. I'm just interested to see what other people are doing for this holiday season, if you're taking a more relaxed approach or you're overwhelmed with swaps like me. So I have this fun little Alina Craft heart die set, this pretty AC Moore bling. I have these pearls, and there's another pink one, and we have like a teal color here. I have this pretty snowflakey bling. I have this heart and their texture. They're super cute. Bling as well. I have this gorgeous, I think these are like a light blue. Then I have them in a dark blue, and I think these are so pretty. And then I have them in this really pretty pink color. So just leave me a comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, a better way to spend the birthday by giving my subscribers some love. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.